Class 9 and 10 students, welcome back to Bimal Sarji YouTube channel. This is question number 3B, exercise 4.4, topic household arithmetic, Vedant Excel in Mathematics class 9. The question is here, the table given below shows the latest rates of taxi implemented by NBSM. Use the rates to solve the following question. Okay, time is given here 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. morning to night 9 o'clock, and this is 9 p.m. night, that means this is 9 p.m. to 6 a.m., that means this is morning. So different rates are given. This is for this, and for 9 p.m. night to this is the rate. So now question is here, at 2:45 a.m. Mr. Podel had to go hospital, which was at a distance of 15 kilometers from his home. He hired a metered taxi and asked it to wait for 4 minutes. So number one, we have to find what was the minimum fare appeared immediately after the meter was flashed down. Number two, what was the waiting charge. Number three, find the taxi fare paid by him. Number four, if he hired another taxi and returned back to his home at 7 a.m. through the same route, how much more or less fare would he pay than traveling to hospital? So at this here, this is 2:45 a.m. So this lies at what? 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. because 9 p.m. night, and this is here after this is what is it, 9 night, 9 10 11 12 12. Okay, after 12, when it becomes 12, that will be a.m. So 12 a.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m. Okay, so 2:45 a.m. this lies in this, this row. Okay, so we have to see this data. So now I will pause the video to centralize the video. Okay, number one, we have to find what was the minimum fare appeared immediately after the meter was placed down. Okay, so this minimum fare, how can we know? See that time here, 2:45 a.m. So right here, 2:45 a.m. Here 2:45 a.m. Lies between this time. Okay, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Okay, so therefore now number one, we can write the minimum fare. The minimum fare appeared. Okay, you can write full total from here. The minimum fare appeared immediately after the meter was plunged down is equal to, you can write how much? Minimum fare 75 rupees. Otherwise, write circuit. The minimum fare appeared is equal to RS. Okay, here minimum fare is 75 rupees. So this is first answer. Now second, two number. What was the waiting charge? So waiting charge, see there in this timetable. Waiting charge is what here? 15 rupees per 2 minutes. So waiting charge for 2 minutes is equal to RS. See there, waiting RS 15 rupees per 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, okay, so how much is charge? 15 rupees. So right here RS 15 rupees. Now waiting charge for 2 now. Okay, unitary method means what? We have to find 1 minute. So 1 minute is equal to RS, this 15. Now you think here, okay, there is two cases, either multiply or divide. When we have to multiply, when we have to divide, see the concept. This is 2 and this is 1. So after 2, this decreased. Yes, so decrease means we have to divide. Simple shortcut, D for decrease, D for divide. So divide by what? This decreased, time decreased. So this must also be decreased. So to decrease, we have to divide by 2. If we divide by 1, it will not decrease. Okay, So divide by 2. Now here waiting, therefore now number, okay, therefore waiting charge for, see that the Mr. Podel, okay, uh, his home, he had a meter taxi and asked it to wait for 4 minutes, okay. Mr. Podel asked the taxi man to wait for 4 minutes, okay. So we have to calculate for 4 minutes, okay, waiting charge for 4 minutes is equal to RS, this same, okay, 15 by 2. Now think here, this is 1 minute, after 1 minute this increased, so this will also increase. So to increase, what we have to do, we have to multiply. So multiply by what? 4. Now this is here 2, so this is RS, how much? 15 to the 30 rupees. 30 rupees is the waiting charge for 4 minutes, okay. So 2 number we got 30 rupees. Now 3 number, find the taxi fare paid by him. So how much taxi fare he paid? So for this, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate. Now see the distance travel is how much? 15 kilometers. So right here number 3, distance travel is equal to 15 kilometer. Here 15 kilometer, okay. So 15 kilometer means what? Multiply with 1000, so this will be how much? 15,000 meter. 15,000 meter, okay, because 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So now distance travel is equal to this much. Now see there, fare of per 200 meters. So fare for 200 meter is equal to RS, this is okay, this data, okay, 15 rupees. So right here fare for 200, okay, 200 meters, 200 fare for 200 meters is equal to how much is there? RS 15 rupees, okay. This data I have to see because 2:45 lies between this, okay, 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. So write this, okay, 15 rupees. RS 15. Now by unitary method, fare for 1, okay, 1 meter is equal to RS 15. Now see there, again by unitary method, this is 200 meter. Now after 200 this will become 1 meter, that means decrease. So for decrease, D for decrease, D for divide, okay. So divide by this, okay, 200. Understood? Now okay, I will pause the video, okay, to centralize this, okay, down, because you cannot see, okay, this is the line, okay, I think you cannot see below, okay. Now I will pause the video. We got here fare for 1 meter. Now we have to calculate fare for how much? Total distance this much. So right here fare for okay, this much, 15,000 meters is equal to what? Same, RS 15 by 200 into this 15,000, okay, 15,000. After 1 meter, okay, the distance increased. So to, okay, this increase, so this also must be increased. So to increase this, we have to multiply, and if it decrease, then divide, okay. So this increased, after 1 this is increased, so this also must increase, okay. So now this is equal to what? RS 2 0 cancel. So how much is this? 15 into 150 divided by how much? 2, 1125, 1125, 1125, okay. Now we have to now read the question. Find the taxi fare paid by. So taxi fare means what? Fare for this much meter plus what we have to pay? We have to pay a minimum charge plus what? Waiting charge you have to pay. So therefore we can now write here. Therefore find the taxi fare. Therefore the taxi fare paid by him. Therefore the taxi fare, taxi fare paid by him is equal to RS this much 1125 plus minimum charge. What is minimum charge? Minimum fare is here 75 and plus RS. Waiting charge is how much? Waiting charge for 4 minutes, okay, 30 rupees. So when you add this all, you will get here RS 1125 plus 75 plus 30. So 1230. 1230, okay, 1230 is the taxi fare paid by him. Now fourth number see there, if he hired a taxi and returned back to his home at 7 a.m. okay, through the same route 7 a.m. Now see there 7 a.m. Now here 7 a.m. see there 7 a.m. lies in where? You can now write here 7 a.m. okay, here 7 a.m. lies between okay, 7 a.m. lies between what? 6 a.m. 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. 9 p.m. okay, therefore the minimum charge. So minimum fare, okay, here minimum fare is okay, here minimum fare appeared, okay, minimum fare appeared, we can say appeared or minimum fare, okay. Minimum fare will be how much will be there? See there in this timetable, minimum fare is how much? 50 rupees. So right here 50 rupees. RS 50 rupees. And waiting charge. Waiting, see there. Through the same route, how much more or less? So while returning, okay, he did not, okay, ask the taxi person to wait, okay. He didn't ask, okay. While returning back to home he didn't ask, okay, to wait. He doesn't ask to wait, okay, to wait the taxi, okay. He didn't ask to wait the taxi. So if he didn't ask to wait the taxi, he doesn't have to pay the waiting charge, okay. In the first 4 minutes 30 rupees he has to pay, but he didn't ask to wait. So now that, okay, fare, total fare, that, okay, the fare the total fare, okay, the total fare is equal to how much? Total fare means how much? Total fare will be how much? Fare for 1500 meters is how much? 1125. RS 1125 and plus minimum charge, okay. Minimum fare is how much here? 50 rupees. So this will be how much? RS, this is RS, okay, right here RS. So this is 1175, okay, 1175. This is total fare. Now difference between, what is the difference? Now we can, okay, difference between the fare, we can write a difference between the fare. Difference between the two fares, two fares means what? One fare is this is, and other fare is, total fare is how much? 20 much. So this is greater. So greater means, okay, subtract this now. RS 1230 minus this, okay, RS 1175. So when I subtract 1230 minus 1175, 1175, 55 rupees. If he hired a taxi and returned back to his home at 7 a.m. through the same route, how much more fare for traveling to hospital? So, oh my god, mosquito bite. The taxi fare paid by him is equal to, so fare for this much meter is 1125, and at 7 a.m. minimum fare is 50 rupees. Oh no, we did a mistake, okay? Now what we have to do? Sorry, this is mistake, okay? Because here is given, okay, 7 a.m. we have to calculate this fare also, okay? We cannot do this because now the total fare is, this is not the total fare is not this 1120. Total fare is not 1125, because why? Because fare for 200 meters is not 15, there is now 10 rupees, okay? So we have to calculate now 10 rupees. That asks to wait the taxi. So what we have to do here now? Okay, we have to increase now this, okay? Change the line. While returning back, he didn't ask to wait the taxi. So now minimum fare is equal to this much. I will draw, okay, I will write it later again, okay? Oh no. Minimum fare is equal to Rs50, okay? Now what I will write, okay, here this lies between 6 a.m. Okay, minimum fare this much. Now again same process. We have to, okay, after minimum we have to write this charge, waiting charge 4, okay, not waiting charge, not waited, okay. What we have to write? Fare 4, okay. Fare 4. Here see that this timetable 7 a.m. lies between what? 6 a.m. This, so I have to take what? Fare for 200 meters, you will understand. Fare for 200 meters is equal to how much? Oh no, Rs 10 rupees, okay? Take this 10 rupees. Now fare for 1, okay, 1 meters. So for 1 meter what? This will decrease, so 10 by this 200. Now fare for how much is distance traveled, okay? Same distance, because same route means same distance, so take this 15,000. 15,000 meters is equal to how much? Rs 10 by this 200 and into this, okay, 15,000. This is equal to what? Rs. So this is 150 divided by 2, 75 into 750. How much is this? 750, I think. 150 divided by this 2 and into this 10, okay, 750. Rs 750. Now fare for this much is 750. Now he didn't ask, okay, he didn't ask here what? I think he didn't ask the taxi to wait, okay. So what is the total fare now? This 750 plus this minimum charge, that means 800, okay, 800 only, therefore total charge. I have to write this language, okay, but this is okay. In camera will capture up to here only, okay. So I will bend the camera, okay. Now I will, okay, bend the camera, okay. Now the fare for 1500 meters is this much. Now while returning back, okay, while returning back to home, while returning back to home, okay, while returning back to home, he didn't, okay, he doesn't, okay, he doesn't He doesn't ask to wait taxi. Okay, to wait the taxi. If you don't ask to wait the taxi means he doesn't have to pay waiting charge. Okay, therefore total fare. Therefore total fare is equal to how much? Total fare is equal to how much? Fare for this much 750 RS 750 and plus this minimum. Okay, minimum fare 50 rupees. So this is equal to what? RS how much? 800. Yes, 800. Now the difference between the fares. Difference between two fares. Okay, so first fare was how much? The taxi. Okay, taxi fare he paid how much? 1230. So this is 1230 and this is 800. So which is more? Which is more? This is more. So subtract this. Difference means what? 1230 minus this 800 RS 800. So subtract this. This is equal to what? RS 1200. So 430. So 430. This is our okay answer. Okay. So we can now write here. Can you see in the camera? Yes, you can watch this. Okay, this is the range. Now the difference between the two fare is this much. Okay. Now we can write what here? If he hired a taxi and returned back to his home through the same route, how much more or less? Okay. Would he pay than travel? Okay. So he would pay. Okay. He would pay. Therefore, he would pay RS how much? 430 less. 430 less. Okay, less than okay than traveling to hospital. Less than traveling to hospital. Okay, this is the answer. So dear students, viewers and subscribers, okay, this is the solution. I had to make it the video in the landscape mode because this question is very long question. Okay, this is very long question. Okay, I cannot this to make it question clear. Okay, I made it in the landscape mode. Now I will try to pause the video to make it what to explain. Okay, now you can see this video in the portrait mode. Okay, so I don't know what will be the result in the YouTube, how you can it will be difficult for you to but anyway you can adjust. Now I want to explain this in Nepali because some of the viewers and subscribers request to explain in the Nepali. ल तपाईँ अब है यो नेपालीमा तपाईहरुको लागि जस नेपालीमा है बुझ्न चाहनुहुन्छ यो क्वेशनले के लेखेको छ हेर्नु त माथि द टेबल गिभन बिलो सोज द लेटेस्ट रेट जुन तल जुन टेबल हेर्नुहुन्छ नि त्यो टेबलले के हराउँछ त ट्याक्सीको रेट है इम्प्लिमेन्टेड बाइ एनबिएसएम है यो एउटा है संस्था हो है अफिस हो जसले चाहिँ निर्धारण गरेको हुन्छ ट्याक्सीको भाडा है निर्धारण गरेको हुन्छ र यसमा के लेखेको छ 6 AM हेर्नु त्यहाँ 6 AM देखि बिहान 6 बजेदेखि 9 बजे रातिसम्मको मिनिमम चार्ज 50 रुपैयाँ र प्रत्येक 200 मिटरको 10 रुपैयाँ भाडा र वेटिङ चार्ज 2 मिनेट रोके बापत 10 रुपैयाँ चार्ज। त्यस्तै गरी यो 9 बजे रातिदेखि 6 बजे बिहानसम्ममा 75 रुपैयाँ छ मिनिमम फेयर 15 रुपैयाँ छ प्रत्येक 200 मिटरको भाडा र 2 मिनेट रोके बापत है रोके बापत 15 रुपैयाँ। तब यहाँ क्वेशनमा के छ त एट 2:45 AM 2 बजेर 45 AM भनेको के हो त राति हो यो AM भनेको रातको 12 है 2 बजे 12 रातको 12 बजे भनेको तपाईको AM हुन्छ है र 1 AM 2 AM मतलब यो के रातिको 2 बजेतिर है 2 पौने 3 बजे है 2 बजेर 45 मा रातिको टाइम हो त रातिको टाइम छ भने कुन एप्लाई हुन्छ यो हुन्छ 9 बजेर 9 PM देखि लिएर 6 AM सम्मको यो टाइमले एप्लाई गर्नुपर्छ। यति रातिको हामीले यो डाटा हेर्नुपर्छ। यो डाटा हेर्नुहोस्, पहिलो डाटा नहेर्ने, यो डाटा हेर्नुहोस्। अब के छ, मिस्टर पौडेल ह्याड टु गो हस्पिटल विच वाज एट अ डिस्टेन्स अफ 15 किलोमिटर फ्रम हिज होम। अब मिस्टर पौडेललाई हस्पिटल जानुपर्ने थियो जसको दूरी चाहिँ 15 किलोमिटर उसको घरदेखि थियो। उसले चाहिँ ही हायर्ड अ मीटर ट्याक्सी एन्ड आस्क्ड इट टु वेट फर 4 मिनट्स। उसले के गर्यो त, एउटा ट्याक्सीलाई, मिटर ट्याक्सीलाई है, जो मिटरवाला ट्याक्सी हुन्छ त्यसलाई हायर गर्यो है, भाडामा ल्यायो र उसलाई भन्यो कि 4 मिनट रोक्नुहोस्। र ट्याक्सी, मिटरवाला ट्याक्सीको नियमै छ, जति मिनट रोक्छ त्यसको है छुट्टै पैसा तिर्नुपर्छ। यहाँ छ 2 रुपियाँ, 2 मिनट रोक्यो भने 15 रुपियाँ लाग्छ। 1 मिनटको कति रुपियाँ? 7.5 रुपियाँ। त कति हुन्छ 4 मिनटको, त्यो हामीले निकाल्नुपर्छ यहाँ। अब यहाँ हेर्दा वाट वाज द मिनिमम फेयर एपियर इमिडिएटली आफ्टर द मिटर वाज फ्लेज डाउन। र उसले है अब उसले हायर गर्ने बित्तिकै त्यसले होइन भन्छ रोक्नलाई, उसले आउने गफ गर्ने बित्तिकै मिटर सुरु गरिदिन्छ। अब जति मिनट रोक्छ त्यसको पैसा तिर्नुपर्छ। त कति मिटरमा सो गऱ्यो होला त? मिनिमम फेयर कति सो गर्छन्? मिटर चालु गर्ने बित्तिकै है मिनिमम फेयर चाहिँ कति सो गर्छ त? मिनिमम फेयर यति, रातिको टाइम हो, 75 रुपियाँ तिर्नुपर्छ। त्यही भएर लेख्ने यहाँ के, हेयर 2:45 AM लाइज बिट्विन, यो 2:45 AM रातिको कहाँ पर्छ त? यो टाइम टेबलमा पर्छ। र यस पर्ने कारणले के गर्छ त, मिनिमम फेयर कति हुन्छ त? 75 रुपियाँ। मिनिमम फेयर के टेबल हेरेर आउँछ 75 रुपियाँ, हामीले लेख्नु। नम्बर 1 को एन्सर यही हो। मिटरमा के सो गर्छ? मिनिमम फेयर 75 रुपियाँ। नम्बर 2, वाट वाज द वेटिङ चार्ज? वेटिङ चार्ज कति हुन्छ त? अब हेर त, वेटिङ चार्ज फर 2 मिनट्स। हेर्नु यहाँ 2 मिनट रोके बाद 15 रुपियाँ। 1 मिनटको निकाल्नुहोस् युनिटरी मेथडबाट। युनिटरी मेथडमा के छ त, या त मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु या डिभाइड गर्नु, दुईटै कुरा छ। त डिभाइड कति बेला गर्ने? जब डिक्रिज हुन्छ, जब कम हुन्छ। त 2बाट कम भयो, 1 आयो, त्यसलाई डिभाइड गरिदिनु। डी फोर डिक्रिज, डी फोर डिभाइड, 2ले डिभाइड गरिदिनु। 1ले गऱ्यो भने त कमै हुँदैन, त्यही भएर है 2ले गरिदिनु। यो 2ले अब 1 को निकालिसकेपछि 4 मिनटको निकाल्नु। किन? उसले 4 मिनट पर्खाएको थियो अटोलाई। त 4 मिनटको निकाल्नुहोस्। यहाँ वेटिङ चार्ज फर 2 मिनट्स कति छ? 4 मिनटको कति छ? यो जति छ त्यति। मिनट बढ्यो त 1 मिनट पछि 4 मिनट बढ्यो, यसलाई गुणा गरिदिनु। यसलाई बढाउनको लागि के गर्ने हो? मल्टिप्लाई गरिदिनु। 30 रुपियाँ आउँछ 4 मिनटको लागि। अब वेटिङ चार्ज पनि हाम्रो आयो, 2 नम्बरको एन्सर। वाट वाज द वेटिङ चार्ज आयो। अब फाइन्ड द ट्याक्सी फेयर पेड बाई हिम। अब उसले कति पैसा तिर्यो त? उसले मिस्टर पौडेलले कति तिर्नुपर्छ? डिस्टेन्स दूरी गरेको पहिला त्यो निकाल्नुहोस् है। कति दूरी डिस्टेन्स छ? 15 किलोमिटरको निकाल्नुहोस्। अब पैसा यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् त, प्रत्येक 200 मिटरको भाडा छ 15 रुपियाँ भने यहाँ लेख्नुहोस् त। यहाँ डिस्टेन्स ट्राभल या 15 किलोमिटर भनेको 15,000 मिटर। फेयर फर 200 मिटर 15 रुपियाँ भयो। यहाँबाट 200 मिटरको कति भयो? 15 रुपियाँ। अब युनिटरी मेथडबाट 1 को निकाल्नुहोस् र 1 पछिको डाइरेक्टै 15,000 को निकाल्नुहोस्। हाम्रो है युनिटरी मेथड यदि आउँछ भने सजिलो छ, यसलाई यसो गर्नुहोस्। छैन भने कमेन्ट गर्नुहोस्, युनिटरी मेथड पनि एक्सप्लेन गरिदिन्छु। अब ट्याक्सी फेयर पेड बाई हिम कति पैसा तिर्छ त? 15,000 मिटर यानि कि 15 किलोमिटर हिँडेको यति रुपियाँ, प्लस मिनिमम चार्ज 75 रुपियाँ यो, र प्लस यो वेटिङ चार्ज 30 रुपियाँ। यसलाई जोडिदिनुहोस्, यति आउँछ। अब 4 नम्बर भनेको छ, इफ ही हायर्ड एन ट्याक्सी एन्ड रिटर्न ब्याक टु हिज होम एट 7 AM। यदि उसले है 7 बजे बिहान है अर्को ट्याक्सीलाई हायर गर्यो त्यहाँबाट फर्किनको लागि, सेम बाटोबाट। सेम बाटो छ भने दूरी के होला त? सेमै दूरी हुन्छ, 15 किलोमिटरै दूरी हुन्छ सेम बाटो छ भने। बस कुरा के छ त, सोधेको अनुसारले हाउ मच मोर अर लेस, उसले कति बढी तिर्नुपर्छ? जाने बेलामा है उसले कति तिरेको थियो र आउने बेला कति तिर्नुपर्छ, कति कम हो, या कम तिर्नुपर्छ या बढी तिर्नुपर्छ निकाल्नु। त हामीले के गर्ने हो? यसमा त रोकेको छैन, यसले ट्याक्सीलाई रोकेको छैन, त वेटिङ चार्ज यसलाई लाग्दैन। बस के कुरा हो, यो टाइमलाई ध्यान दिनुहोस्। यो टाइम 7 AM भनेको कुन टाइम अन्तर्गत पर्छ त? यसमा त पक्कै पर्दैन, फर्स्ट यसमा परेको थियो। अब यो 7 AM भनेको 6 AM देखि 9 PM को बिचको पर्छ। यो पैसा अब है मिनिमम फेयर के हुन्छ त? अब 50 रुपियाँ। यो मिनिमम फेयर यहाँ 50 लेखिदिनुहोस्। यहाँ मिनिमम फेयर 50 रुपियाँ। अनि फेयर फर 200 मिटर कति छ? 10 रुपियाँ। फेयर फर 200 मिटर 10 रुपियाँ। 1 मिटरको निकाल्नुहोस् र त्यसपछि यो दूरी कति छ 15,000 मिटरको निकाल्नुहोस् यहाँ है। मिटर मेथडबाट यति 750 रुपियाँ आउँछ। अब while returning back to home he doesn't ask to the tax। अब फर्किने बेलामा उसले ट्याक्स पर्खाएन त पट्टि चार्ज तिर्नु परेन। डाइरेक्ट टोटल फेयर कति हुन्छ त 750 रुपियाँ प्लस यो 50 रुपियाँ मिनिमम चार्ज हो। 750 प्लस 50 800 रुपियाँ तिर्नु पर्यो उताबाट। यदि उसले रोकाएको भए छुट्टै पैसा तिर्नु पर्थ्यो 10 रुपियाँको है। 5 रुपियाँ 1 मिनट रोके बापत 5 रुपियाँ, 2 मिनट रोके बापत 10 रुपियाँको दरले तिर्नु पर्थ्यो। हाम्रो आयो यति पैसा। अब यो पैसा टोटल फेयर यो 800 पैसा जो कि फर्किने बेलामा तिर्यो र जाने बेलामा कति तिरेको थियो 1230 रुपियाँ। कुन ठुलो? यो ठुलो। डिफ्रेन्स के हुन्छ यसको? ठुलो यो ठुलो माइनस यो 800 430 रुपियाँ हुन्छ डिफ्रेन्स। यही हो। कति तिर्नुपर्छ? कम तिर्नुपर्छ फर्किने बेलामा, किनभने 800 रुपियाँ मात्रै तिर्नु पर्यो फर्किने बेलामा त, अनि बढी थियो जाने बेलामा त कति रुपियाँ उसले कम तिर्यो? 430 रुपियाँ कम तिर्यो उसले है। बिहान ट्राभलिङ टु हस्पिटल जानु है। जाने के छ यहाँ हस्पिटल सुरुमा कहाँ गएको छ? हेज टु गो है। हस्पिटल गएको थियो जाने बेलामा त हस्पिटल जानुभन्दा है कति त 430 रुपियाँ कम तिर्यो, मतलब फर्किने बेलामा कम तिर्यो है। यही हो तपाईको कम्प्लिट सल्युसन है। नेपालीमा मैले कोसिस गर्दै तपाईलाई बुझ्नुभयो भने ठिकै छ। बुझ्नु भएन कमेन्ट गर्नुस्, अर्को भिडियो बनाइदिउँला। अब इङ्ग्लिसमा मैले है एक्सप्लेन गरेको छ। राति धेरै भयो, सुत्ने बेला भइसकेको छ। तपाईहरु इयरफोन लाएर सुन्नु होला। अब क्यामेरालाई मिलाउन चक्करमा टाटा क्यामेरालाई नजिक है गरे आवाज पनि कम बढी हुन सक्छ। ल र भिडियो मन पऱ्यो भने साथीलाई शेयर गरिदिनुस्। धेरै ठुलामा भिडियो भयो। किप वाचिङ, किप सपोर्टिङ। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियोज। राधे राधे। तपाईको दिन रात शुभ रहोस्। र कमेन्ट गर्न टाइम छैन भने साथीलाई शेयर गरिदिने गर्नुहोस्, ताकि ज्ञानको है शेयर गर्नाले है यो मेरो भिडियो बनाएको उद्देश्य पुरा हुन्छ। र एकैचोटि तपाईहरुले कमेन्ट समेन्ट एससी एक्जाममा राम्रो मार्क ल्याएर दिनु होला। ल राम्रो मार्क आउँछ नै। यदि यो सबैलाई प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुभयो भने 9 10 ले प्र्याक्टिस गर्नुभयो भने राम्रो मार्क आउँछ। किनभने कन्सेप्ट एउटै हो है, सेम कन्सेप्ट छ। यसले राम्ररी भिडियोलाई पज गरी है हेर्नुस्, स्टेप हेर्नुस् र रिपिट गरी सुन्नुस् इयरफोन लगाएर। सबै स्टेप सजिलो छ, मैले सबै एक्सप्लेन गर्दैछु। ल किप वाचिङ। सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट भिडियो। राधे राधे। जय श्री कृष्ण।